Hello everyone. Okay, we are standing on Highway 12 overlooking Calf Creek Recreation Area, and yesterday we hiked up this canyon 3 miles each way. End of August. How green the canyon is. This is what stopped me dead in my tracks. It's this gorgeous juniper, full berry, steely blue color against that gorgeous red rock. And then down below, Calf Creek, all the willows and cottonwoods and mix of greens and blues and grays. Beautiful juniper berries. Onward. How tall would you say that waterfall is?
200 feet.
We have arrived. Calf Creek. It's 3:39 in the afternoon, so we're in the shade on the west side. Trail. Always remember to look up. Oh, beautiful. We are definitely at the end of a canyon. Woo! Not too bad.
Until next time, wherever you go, wherever your path leads you, keep dreaming in the garden.